Hi everyone. Oh, when you see this one, maybe you are thinking it's a burger, McDonald's burger or something. No, this is pie crust. I'll show you how to make a pie crust. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Flour, sugar, salt, combine well, cold butter cut into cubes, the butter and the flour is well combined, nice flaky. A little bit of butter here and there is there, that's fine. Water, batch by batch. Like this consistency. Transfer the mix to a clean surface. Do like this. Cut this one into two. Let's put it on the top and do the same process. By doing this process, this will make the dough very flaky. Do this process again and again. Do that process at least 5 to 6 times, so you will get nice flaky crust. See how it layers. The dough is ready now. Cut the crust into two. We dividing this crust into two, one for the bottom and one for the top. Make it to a round bowl. Cover the dough separately. Pie crust we just made, we can store like this. We can wrap it up and put it in the freezer on a Ziploc bag. We can keep it because it's time consuming, right, to make this dough, make the stuffing. So you can make a batch, throw it into the freezer whenever you want, pull it out, throw it out, make it out. Any pies you like, apple pie, cherry pie, pumpkin pie, whichever pie you want, but the crust is beautiful crust. So make sure to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen, for better quality recipes.